Ever struggled with laggy pens that ruin your creative flow? Today, I'll reveal the 6 best S Pens for the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra in 2025 precision, comfort, and speed combined. Welcome to the channel. And don't forget, links to grab yours are in the description below. The number 6 product on our list is OASO Stylus Pen Set. What if I told you one stylus set could cover both your creative sketches and everyday navigation? The OASO Stylus Pen Set does just that, and it feels like a game changer for Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra users who want versatility without compromise. This bundle gives you a palm rejection pen for smooth, natural handwriting on tablets and a universal stylus that works across smartphones, laptops, and virtually any touch device. It's like carrying 2 pens in one, ready for art, notes, or just quick scrolling. The included pencil grip and replacement nibs make it even more practical, especially for those who value real-world comfort during long sessions. Compared to other pens in the list, OASO may lack pressure sensitivity, but it makes up for it with reliability, tilt support, and seamless palm rejection. It's perfect for students, creators, or professionals who don't want to juggle multiple accessories. For anyone wanting peace of mind and a smart all-in-one solution, this is an easy recommendation. At number 5 is AmberVec Stylus Pen. Ever wondered if a single stylus could balance precision and everyday usability without costing a fortune? The AmberVec Stylus Pen proves it's possible, bringing flexibility and peace of mind to Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra users who want both creativity and control. Its 2-in-1 design is a standout. One end has a high-precision transparent disc tip that feels perfect for note-taking or sketching, while the other has a smooth fiber tip that makes scrolling and browsing effortless without leaving smudges behind. Unlike some styluses in the same category, AmberVec includes hidden spare tips, cleverly tucked inside the body, solving the frustration of sudden wear and tear. The magnetic pen cap adds another layer of convenience, ensuring you don't misplace parts when moving around. Made from lightweight aluminum, it feels premium without being heavy, tested for real-world comfort during long sessions. While it doesn't offer advanced features like tilt sensitivity, its durability and versatility make it an excellent smart choice for students, professionals, and casual users alike. At number 4 is SENMO Stylus Pen. What if you could charge your stylus in just 15 minutes and keep writing or drawing for over 10 hours? That's exactly the promise of the SENMO Stylus Pen, a tool built for creators, students, and professionals who don't have time to deal with interruptions. Designed with palm rejection, it allows you to rest your hand naturally on the screen of your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra without creating messy strokes, giving you the freedom to sketch or jot notes as if it were pen on paper. The tilt sensitivity feature adds another layer of control, letting you shift from fine lines to bold strokes with subtle wrist movements. Something most budget styluses can't replicate. Its magnetic attachment makes it easy to carry without worrying about losing it, and the LED indicators give you peace of mind about battery life. While it lacks the premium build of higher-end options, it nails the essentials with confidence. A smart, tested for real-world comfort pick for everyday and creative use. The third one on our list is DRYMOKINI Stylus Pen. Imagine sketching on your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra and every line flows instantly. No lag, no skips, just pure precision. That's the kind of experience the DRYMOKINI Stylus Pen delivers with its ultrafine 1.5mm tip. It feels natural, almost like writing on paper, but with the speed and fluidity digital creators crave. For students, designers, or professionals, the ability to switch between note-taking and art without frustrating delays brings an unmatched sense of relief. With 20 hours of continuous use on just a quick 1-hour charge, it easily outpaces many rivals in the same category of smart stylus pens. Compared to bulkier alternatives, its lightweight body keeps long sessions comfortable, and the universal compatibility across Android and iOS devices adds peace of mind for those switching between platforms. It may not yet support Windows devices, which is a drawback for some, but for mobile creatives, it's a smart and tested choice that blends accuracy, comfort, and reliability in one sleek package. On number 2 is Metapen Stylus Pen. The first time you glide the Metapen Stylus Pen across a screen, you instantly feel how precise it is. 0.1 pixel accuracy with 0 delay, turning even the tiniest handwriting or detailed sketches into fluid strokes. For Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra users searching among the 6 best S Pen options of 2025, this pen proves why precision matters. Unlike cheaper alternatives that lag or break lines mid-flow, the Metapen maintains responsiveness, making note-taking and digital art effortless. The 30-minute fast charge feels like a lifesaver, 1 minute on charge gives nearly an hour of use, which solves the frustration of pens dying mid-tack. The durable tips, tested for thousands of impacts, add peace of mind for long-term users who don't want hidden replacement costs. Compared with more basic stylus pens, this one stands out with tilt sensitivity, palm rejection, and magnetic attachment, though it lacks pressure sensitivity and wireless charging. Still, for students, professionals, or creators, it feels like a smart, reliable, and tested choice. Now moving to the last one is JAMJAKE Stylus Pen. The JAMJAKE Stylus Pen instantly surprises with how smooth and precise it feels, making it a serious contender among the 6 best S Pen options for the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra in 2025. With a fine 1.5-inch tip, it eliminates lag and broken lines, offering a writing and drawing flow that feels natural and effortless. Palm rejection is a real game changer. Resting your hand on the screen feels just like using pen and paper, solving the awkward angle problem many users complain about. Its quick charge feature adds peace of mind, with just minutes of charging giving hours of use. Perfect for students and professionals on the go. Compared to premium styluses, it may lack pressure sensitivity, which digital artists could miss, but for note-taking, sketching, and everyday productivity, it delivers excellent reliability. The build is lightweight, easy to handle, and pairs seamlessly without setup headaches. If you value comfort, consistency, and efficiency without overspending, this pen feels like a smart, tested choice. So guys, this was the video about the 6 best S Pen, Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra 2025. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.